so excited to tutor you with this modern and fashionable plaid nail art. You must be familiar with making it in nail polish, but do you know how to achieve it only with the dip system? The plaid prints pick up the turquoise shimmer as the base color, come with the contrasting combo of moss green and dark black shades, and emerge as the epitome of chic for trend-setting individuals. No extra stuff is needed, and no fancy skills are required. Follow my entry-level tutorial, you'll easily get this manicure done at home on your own. I always recommend you give it 2 layers of liquid and powder. It's essential for the solid color nails to overlap the uneven texture. Grab a precision tool and scrape off the mixed material near your cuticles or sidewalls before activating it. Loving this unique liner brush so well. It allows you to draw delicate designs in a small amount of liquid with no extra liquid or tools. You need to dip the clear powder to absorb the excess liquid and speed up the drying process. A big taboo is moving to start on the next step while your nails are still a little wet. Feature the dotted stripes in a green hue after complete drying. The stripes of the 2 colors come together to form a trendy plaid print. Never forget to dip the clear powder again at the end. It seals your design and protects it from damage while buffing and filing. Let's dive in.